So what's the safest online business for beginners in 2022? I'm going to tell you what it is right now. Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison here, and welcome to another video here on my channel. Today we're going to talk about the safest online business that beginners can start in 2022. And when I mean safest, I don't mean like, there's ones that are like terribly unsafe. What I mean is there's ones that are obviously a lot harder to succeed with. There's ones that have a lot more opportunity for failure. And then there's ones that are a lot safer, ones that are a lot easier, ones that are a lot, I guess, more simplistic for beginners. So if you are a beginner and you want to build an online business, then you definitely want to stick around for this video so that I can show you what I think is the safest one and the easiest one for you to start. Plus, not only that, at the end of the video, I'll tell you how you can get this book free. This is one that I wrote that breaks it all down for you. It's my 8-figure funnel formula, and it literally breaks down what I'm about to share with you here, but it allows you kind of in more of a workbook style to be able to go through this and do this for yourself. So that is important, okay? So obviously, if this is your first time to my channel, thank you for joining. Thank you for being here. If you want to learn how to build a business online, do it the right way, cut through all the fluff, all the nonsense, this is the place to be. If that's something you're interested in, then click that subscribe button and turn on notifications and make sure that you don't miss any of my future trainings, because I'm putting one of these out every single day. And my goal is to teach you what I'm doing. I made over $100 million on this internet, right? Like, I've done pretty well. And I see all this misinformation and information that just confuses people that's being posted constantly. And I wanted to really create a place where people could come and learn applicable strategies, things that really do work, and truly be able to take what they see in a video on the internet and actually go apply it, right? And that's the reason why I built this channel. And so I'm super excited to have you here. If you're excited to be here, leave me a comment below. Just say, I'm excited, right? I want to see that you're excited to be here in this video. Listen, we give away cash prizes for people that leave comments on our videos. So leave a comment, you could win a cash prize. All right, so the safest online business for beginners. Let's go to my whiteboard. Let's first talk about the things that I don't like. Okay, these are the things I don't like. All right, I don't like anything that has to do with crypto right now. I know that crypto is and not even just crypto, but also NFTs, right? If you are a beginner, you are hearing about NFTs and crypto after everybody has already made the money. Okay, that's just the way that it is. I have fallen into the same trap myself. I have chased money in this crypto space, in this NFT space for so long. And I can't, look, every single time I do it, I lose money, right? And it's because there are a group of people that know about all the things that are happening with NFTs and with crypto long before we hear about it. When we hear about it on Facebook and on YouTube and Instagram and all that, it's too late. The money's already been made and there's already somebody that's crushing it, and you're going to be the one that's left buying something at a much higher price than what you really need to be buying it for. So I don't like getting into those spaces. I also really don't like, at least, me personally, I'm not a big fan of this whole influencer fad. Okay, where you want to be an influencer, you want to have a TikTok account that makes $1,000 a day and all this. You're giving too much control to the platforms, right? When you do that, any platform could just cut you off. They could just delete your account. Your account could get hacked and they could never respond. This happens all the time. Even happens to celebrities. So it's like, also, you got to be posting about yourself constantly. Do you really think content of you eating ice cream is really like content? Like, is this the world we live in? Maybe today, but that will change, right? Where you eating you eating ice cream is content, right? Like, that's just silly, So it's not a real business. It's a thing right now that's working, but it's a thing that I don't think is going to work long term. So I'm looking for a safe business. I'm looking for something that actually works. I'm looking for something that's proven to work through recessions, through pandemics, through the good and the bad that has happened in the world over the last, say, 15 years, right? And when I look at it, I see crypto crash and burn, and then I see it run to the moon, right? I don't see a very steady income there. Same with NFTs, same with being an influencer. The one thing that I have not seen crash and burn is affiliate marketing. Okay? And the reason that I think that it doesn't crash and burn is real simple. It's a results-based type of thing. Meaning, with affiliate marketing, you only get paid when you create a sale for another company. Let's just say this book, I want to sell it, okay? I'm going to actually give it to you for free here in just a minute, but let's say I want to sell it for $5. I could come to you and I could say, hey, if you will help me make sales of this book, I will give you $2 every single time you make a sale. So then you go out and you do marketing, you tell your friends, you post it on Facebook, you do a video about it, you do a review of it, whatever, and you make sales of this book. I am happy to pay you the $2 every single time you make a sale of the book because I am making $5 every single time I sell a book. I am making a $3 profit. Why would I ever stop you from doing what you were doing? It makes no sense because I'm always making a profit. The difference in this and, say, influencing, right, is that a company might pay an influencer $1,000 to make a TikTok post, and all of a sudden TikTok quits sharing all those videos that they're making with the billions of people, and now all of a sudden the company's not getting any return on their $1,000, so they quit paying you, right? There's a reason that those things will fail. With affiliate marketing, there is no reason for a company to tell you to stop doing what you're doing because you're always generating them a profit. See what I'm saying? So it's a safe business, right? It's results-based. The second thing is you can pivot. You can pivot quickly, right? The reason you can pivot is because you don't have to build out anything. You're not having to build out websites. You're not having to build out, products and resources and support and all of these things. You are promoting somebody else's thing. That's very easy to pivot. Today I could be promoting Best Buy. Tomorrow I could promote Amazon. The next day I could promote Walmart. And the next day I could say, forget it, I'm going to promote Bed Bath & Beyond, right? Like I could promote all of those things. And then at the end of the week I could say, forget all of you, I'm going to promote Anthony's book. And I can do that because I'm an affiliate. I don't have all of the other stuff that goes along with, building an actual business, right? Affiliate marketing is the most simplistic way to build an online business. I'll show you right now. Check this out. I'm an affiliate for multiple companies. ClickFunnels, I've made $2,935,000 with them. GetResponse, I've made $234,000 with them. GoDaddy, I made $103,000 a year with them. Udemy, which is just a traffic source, I've made $50,000 with them. I'm an affiliate for a lot of different companies. And I continue to make money with all of those companies because I can pivot and I can promote all the different ones. If you are a beginner, this is what you need to be doing. You need to be promoting multiple affiliate programs. Now, how do you do that? As a brand new beginner, right? Now that we know the safest online business, we understand that it's affiliate marketing, it's time tested, it's tried and true. How do you make that work for you? It's real simple. You look below this video and you click the button or the link that's right below the video. There should be a little button that says show more. If you're on mobile, it might be in the top right hand corner. When you click the link that you see below the video, I'm going to give you a copy of this book for free, and it's going to walk you through exactly how this is done. You literally are going to see step by step what you need to do. Plus, I'll even partner with you. Instead of you doing it for yourself and by yourself, we can work together on it. When you click the link below, you'll see the Partner with Anthony program. I'll literally work with you. And here's the thing. All 4 of those affiliate programs you just saw, I will literally partner with you and give you the training and the resources that I use to sell those programs myself. Meaning you don't have to sell them. You don't have to educate on them. You don't have to do anything. I will do it I will give you what I am using myself to generate those commissions and make those sales. It's a machine that I've built. It's an ecosystem. And I give you access to it so that you can use it for yourself. You plug in your affiliate links and off you go. And now when you bring people in, my machine, my ecosystem trains and educates them so that they will then purchase those products, and not just purchase them, but actually use them. And as they use them, you make more and more money because they're recurring billing products. They're subscription-based because it's software. This is a phenomenal way for beginners to get started online without having to do this by yourself, right? You can work with me. Plus, I'll give you a copy of my book completely free just to get you started. All you got to do is click the link that you see right below this video. Now, If you enjoyed this and you enjoyed learning the safest thing to do and maybe some of the things to stay away from, I want you to do 3 things for me. Number 1, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. That is very important, okay? That way you don't miss any of my trainings. Number 2, like this video. Just smash the like button for me. If you're still here, you obviously like the content, you've learned something, so hit the like button and help me reach more people on YouTube. And the third thing is, I want you to leave me a comment and let me know what you thought about this. Do you agree that the safest business in 2022 for beginners is affiliate marketing? Give me your feedback. When you subscribe, like, and comment, that automatically qualifies you for any of the giveaways that we do here on my channel. So it's very important that you do all 3 right now. And of course, click the link that you see below, get your copy of my book free, check out the Partner with Anthony program, partner with me so I can help you build your business on the internet, and make sure that you don't miss the video that's coming your way tomorrow with more affiliate marketing training.